blooms and butterflies, they love each other. Before me you are seeing the butterfly bush, and this is the butterfly garden where there are butterfly attracting flowers, and one of them is butterfly bush, Buddleia debatii, which has many cultivars. So this has been planted here. We see so many large sized blue morpho butterflies which are an attraction for every visitor, especially kids. And here is another Buddleia flower, but butterfly was different. So you have Stachytorpata, many different flowers. For example, this is Stachytorpata jamaicensis, butterfly attracting flower. But here is another species of perhaps Stachytorpata again, but some other. And this is salvia. And here you have the Heuchera, coral bells, and foliage is also colorful, flowers are also colorful. And here is Pentas lanceolata. This also attracts the butterflies. And here you will find unique flower which I have yet to identify. I could not identify this. This is very unique for me, seeing for the first time. This butterfly garden has recently established at Navy Pier, and here I will show you the long wing. Perhaps it is postman, but upper surface I am not able to show you, and unless I see the upper surface it's very difficult to pinpoint which this butterfly could be. Long wing, perhaps it is one of the species, long wing. And you have Calyandra bushes also, and on this you have the butterfly, and this butterfly seems to be, I think, a red admiral, if not painted lady. Both are very similar. I can't see its upper surface clearly. And here is the climber, creeper, perhaps gardenia, which has the lobed leaves and orange colored flowers. And this also attracts butterflies. This is Ocimum basilicum, and here we find other flowers and other. This is another butterfly with greenish color. And here you see the blue morpho. Well, these are blue morpho, and they have been provided with a rotten banana, citrus fruit. And this is, I think, Monarda punctata flower, and this is painted lady. This is painted lady. And here you have the Coreopsis, and there are, this is Agistechis aurantiaca, and again the butterflies, blue morpho. And here you have the salvia. This is another butterfly. See the black and green pattern, how beautifully designed. And this is the salvia, blue salvia farinaceae, if I am correct. And it is again Hemilia patens bush.
Here, look at this big one.
And here are the unidentified flower, orange colored floral cluster. Such beautiful architecture.
Look at, hey,
What
Trina.
it can be. Wonderful.
There's two of them actually.
But it is some
on here, guys.
monocot.
Oh.
And here you have the milfoil, That is Achillea millefolium.
This is Vincent's stick. Come here, buddy. Put him over here.
Here you have Pseudogynopsis, Chenopodiitis. This creeper is also butterfly attracting creeper. Earlier it was called Senecio confusus perhaps, and this is also planted here. This is the Monarda officinalis. This is Monarda yellow flowering, spotted flowering Monarda punctata. The beauty of, perhaps this should be some verbena if I'm correct.
They might dry out a little.
And here you see Calyandra, and here it is Tachytorpeta, it is Monarda, and on this you see the butterfly. Butterfly is very similar to painted lady, Vanessa cardui, if I am correct. This should be Vanessa cardui, not Red Admiral. This is another cultivar of Achillea, and these are the coral bells of Huchara, and these are a roid plant, colocasia like. And here you have carnation flowers, that is Dianthus caryophyllus, Dianthus. And this is the butterfly bush, Melaleuca.
And then we'll see the little ones instead.
And
Okay, let's find
you will see the butterflies again here on this carnation flower, Dianthus. And this is Orthosiphon, cat's whisker. This is another plant from Lamiaceae. Orthosiphon Kundo perhaps. This is also from mint family. Here you have again the butterfly on yarrow, and here you have another salvia guaranitica, and here you have Aurantiaca, and this seems to be some Protheca, some kind of clerodendron flower, which I am not familiar with species, blue flowering, but seems to be again a butterfly attracting plant, so it has been planted in the butterfly garden. So this seems to be Odentonema, fire spike, and here you see Aloysia bergata, aromatic shrub, which is also useful for butterflies. Again and again I am able to focus on this butterfly. This is the Lonicera. This is Liatris alba.
Yeah, baby! Oh!
This is Eutrochium dubium, and this is Echinacea purpurea, and here is Amelia patens,
You have to dip your
and
sticks
here
in
is
Baby, let's go dip our sticks.
blue morph looking butterfly upside down. These are the flowers of Amelia patens, Rubiaceae family. This is perhaps a red admiral. Here is Arachnothrix. This is a Panama rose bush. This also is useful for butterfly garden. Panama rose, popular name. And this is Sara longwing, bluish colored flower. Flower is buddleia, but this is longwing butterfly. And the butterfly garden recently established at Navy Pier. And here you see this malachite like butterfly, but it may be different. So you see again, but this seems to be me forest owl, because the blue is not on the upper surface and there's a big eye. I think this should be forest owl butterfly, not blue morpho. This is owl butterfly, blue morpho.
That one is the owl butterfly.
Owl butterfly, yeah. So blue is missing.
Sorry?
In this case, you don't have blue color on upper surface, na? This is also owl butterfly.
Yeah, the owl butterflies are different colors. They're like a really dark blue on the inside.
Yeah.
And then the bright blue ones are the morphos.
This is also unique butterfly, but unable to identify. This is tiger swallowtail. Which tiger swallowtail? This one. And which this is orange?
Sorry,
So large size butterflies are blue morpho and forest owl. And this is the flower of lobelia. Lobelia cardinalis, also known as cardinal flower. This also attracts butterflies. And blue morpho, beauty of blue morpho butterflies, and one more butterfly, smaller one. What it can be. This is Pentas lanceolata, and this is Salvia farinaceae, and even in Salvia you find one butterfly, which most probably is painted lady. And all these are the blossoms of Monada punctata. And this is Ipomia, and this is Lobelia cardinalis or cardinal flower, red colored, pink colored, and this is Dianthus. This is also Kinesia purpurea, lighter colored, beauty of Callistrema or Melaleuca. This is beard tongue Penstema, but only leaves. This is Dianthus caryophyllaceus. I am able to show you some of the butterflies which stands introduced here in the butterfly garden, Navy Pier, city of Chicago.
Cool, Vinny. I mean, Vinny. Don't crawl in the plants.
No. Don't crawl in the plants, honey. Let it. No, you gotta find the ones that are close to you, like on rocks and shit, or.
So different flowers. For example, this is Gaillardia pulchara. This is Monada punctata. This is Kinesia. Not sure whether this is Pallida or some other Kinesia. This is also a Kinesia. This is Arachnothrix, and this is some salvia, where you find this beautiful butterfly resting on the leaf right now before me. And this beautiful butterfly. This is again long wing, some kind of postman maybe. So there are postman butterflies also, which have the longer wings. So that way you can distinguish. Resting on the foliage of Arachnothrix, blackish and orange in the center on upper surface. So this is Clematis, perhaps Jackmani, and that seems to be Calibrequa, earlier Captain Petunia, Calibrequa creeper, but fascinating butterfly of this garden is blue morph. They are clinging here on the under surface of the foliage of Calendra as well. They are aggregating even on the food, rotten fruits kept here. And they are also on the flowers, different flowers. This is the another bush which is called as Jatropha integrifolia, and this also one can see the blue morph butterfly. Flowering season is almost over. So this is the tali house under which several butterflies one can observe. This is unique butterfly. Blue spotted. Golden bordered. Golden bordered and blue spotted. This is also new to me, not seen earlier. What it can be, not sure. So small kids are also enjoying the flight of butterflies in this butterfly garden, and they are playing. Even on Echinacea flower head you find this butterfly. Wherever you go you find some butterfly, and that is orange spotted butterfly. Eyes are quite gaudy, orange in this case. These are the flowers of Loanicera, which attract butterflies. They are quite fragrant in the evening. Purplish colored stem, opposite leaves. Stamens are coming out. This is also planted in the botanical gardens, parks and butterfly gardens. This is Monarda. These are blue morphs. This is another some looks to be some kind of salvia or agrostachy.
That one right there is a morpho. The ones with all the eyes down the side of the wing. That one's a morpho. But the forest owls
Then belong there.
like to hang upside down in the trees.
Stop it. Stop it. Peton. Here's the butterfly. Here is a butterfly. That bird is a spotlight. Butterfly. This is another butterfly. So the beauty of blossoms, even lantana camara, calibrequa, eutrochium, all these bushes attract butterflies, so they are planted here in the butterfly house at Navy Pier. One can see another butterfly resting on the flowers of Hamelia pitens, orange spots outside on the surface of the view. This is also quite interesting butterfly. So wherever you see, you will definitely find butterflies. This is the Kinesia bloom and butterflies enjoying. Here also butterflies. Different clematis flowers. Basically these are not petals, but these are sepals which are colorful and looking petal-like. So this is unique clematis genus, where beauty is of sepals, not of petals. 6 sepals are colorful, petal-like. Leaves are opposite and they are compound. This is another long wing. Sara butterfly hovering, flying over Budulija blossoms and now resting. So let me show you a closer, but wings are more long and now it is resting on Arachnothrix Panama rose blossoms. So both these bushes attract butterflies, whether it is Budulija Davidii or it is Arachnothrix Lipophylla. This is another 2 different butterfly. Tiger swallowtail, tiger's yellow swallowtail. Another is tiger swallowtail. So they were on Stachytorbata and just they left 2 other flowers. So they are enjoying in this butterfly house as they have put up very interesting plants like pentas. See the monarch butterfly, that is Denis plexippus on this flowering creeper, which is perhaps Gaurania, not sure. Leaves are like cucurbit plant, and this is otherwise seen commonly on common milkweed, that is the Asclepias syriaca, also on the Mexican sunflower, that is Tithonia rotundifolia, but here I spotted it on this creeper. Denis plexippus migrate to Mexico before winter, and their population is also on the decline. So here you see the 2 butterflies on the Calendra foliage, one below and another is long wing is on upper side with light sword like bars on the undersurface of the wings, and here undersurface is quite distinct. There are no bars, but there are some eyes like structures. So this is a heaven for the nature lovers. who want to have a look on these butterflies. Many earlier civilizations and cultures have referred to butterflies as the wandering souls of our beloved ones, forefathers,
Right here on the edge of the map.
who have left us, who have left for heavenly abode, and their souls we can see in the form of butterflies. Let us conserve diversity of butterflies, and they are very useful for the ecology, for pollinating various crops, and they also add charm and color and beauty to the surroundings. So this is a new concept which has fascinated even kids and scientists, and they are doing a great service in preserving butterflies and establishing the butterfly house and butterfly gardens. And these are some of the bushes which I have just mentioned, which attract these butterflies. Either they are nectar providing flowers, or they are larval host of the butterflies. So care has been taken to introduce all those plants which attract the butterflies, either as a forage plant or as a larval host plant. So Stachytarpata, Monarda, Coreopsis, Blazing Star, Budliza, or Joe Pye wheat. You see another beautiful butterfly has taken its position on Joe Pye wheat, Eutrochium dubium, which is a short-statured Joe Pye wheat. Otherwise, there are some other Joe Pye wheats, Eutrochium purpureum, Eutrochium maculatum, all attract butterflies, and they are very useful for the butterfly garden. And you see the beauty of these blue moth. And here is Monarda punctata. Thank you.